Hi, this is Dr. Scott, and today we're going to talk about a hearing aid myth. There's no need to get a warranty on hearing aids, is there? You know, I agree that there's probably not a reason to get warranties on many things. When you actually get check marks and you get those check marks and you get on Amazon or you get on many items and you go, should I get that warranty on that $50 item or the $150 item? And you're like, why? Or for instance, I actually have a 42-year-old dryer. We have replaced the washing machine that was the same age, right? And we got a washing machine and the buttons wore out, fully wore out. And then we got a new washing machine and we're just like, should we replace the dryer? No, we're gonna wait until the thing is dead because that they don't make washing machines the same way, and you guys all know that same stuff, right? Now, I understand that on a lot of levels. Like they don't make cars, they don't make all kinds of different things the same thing the way they do, right? My mouse isn't the same way, and they don't make the same things all that way. I get it, but let me share with you the things that happen with hearing aids. It's the only thing in the world that you put in your ear, you wear it 16 hours a day in a incredibly moist environment. It's stuck around wax and oils and all kinds of heat environment. Like, tell me one of the thing that you actually do that same thing with. Even that dryer and washer, you're only using what, 2 3 times a week? I mean, maybe you're using it, every other day because you have a whole bunch of kids, right? But you don't do the same thing with hearing aids as any other thing in your life. That should what make you go, oh, that's a good point, right? So here's the thing. Should you buy extended warranties on hearing aids? We should think about it a little bit, right? Now, so most of our hearing aids that we do, actually, most of them have at least a 1-year warranty, and they cover every single thing on them. But 90% of our hearing aids have a full 3-year warranty. So at the end of that 3-year period of time, one of the first things I say is like, wait a second. Have you had problems with your hearing aids? Have you had any issues with them? Well, maybe you haven't had any, but you should be thinking about, is there a possibility that there's a potential for a breakdown of wax and moisture and other things? Is that a possibility? Yeah. Okay. Okay. So one of the things that happens is it's normally a full warranty for a lot of things. So what would an extended warranty cover? Number one, it would cover loss and damage. Hearing aids actually have a one-time loss and damage policy per ear. So if you lost your hearing aids 90 days into it, you can only lose them one time no matter what. So if the end of the 3 years come up, you can't like get a new extended warranty. You can only lose them one time. Okay, so you're really out of luck. So you can only lose them one time per ear. Okay, so that's one big issue. So if you haven't lost them, you can definitely extend the warranty. How long would the warranty last? Well, when you come up to the end of the warranty, we will extend it year by year. And you go, well, that's not very fair. I'm sorry, but that's just what the manufacturers will let us extend them by. Okay? Does it cover batteries? Well, yes, we put the extension of warranty, excuse me, on batteries, but I will say that nowadays, almost every hearing aid that we do actually covers. Actually, they have rechargeables, so we actually cover the rechargeable feature As or if you have the battery feature, we will give you batteries in that time frame as well. Okay. Um, are the warranties all inclusive? Yes. I mean, so if there's any repair issues, I mean, it doesn't matter. Okay. It's all inclusive for any repairs. It's all inclusive for everything. I mean, it doesn't matter if it's a circuit or if it's a speaker or a microphone. It doesn't matter at all. If there's something going wrong, we will take care of it. And here's the thing, is it worth it? Man, I have people that say, well, I'll just wait and see what happens. One of my favorite stories I hear all the time, I actually say all the time, is that I had a guy that it was his warranty was coming up in, I think I remember it was Valentine's Day. And it was February 1 when he comes in, just talks to us, and he goes, well, I'll just wait and see what happens. Um, and it comes in probably early March. Then later on, he goes, I lost my hearing aids. I was like, I can't do anything for you. I mean, there's nothing for you. You went outside your warranty period. There's nothing I can do. He goes, well, can't you like fudge it a little bit? No. You know, you're buying new hearing aids. You decided to like wait, there's nothing we can do at that point. Now, one of the things that we have chosen over the years is to have, we do this. All of our hearing aids, everything that we do, all office visits are no charge for the life of your hearing aids. We do not do that silly unbundled approach where we nickel and dime you every time you come in the office. I hate the unbundled approach. You come into the office, we're going to take care of you. If there's anything we have to do in the office, it's not, it's not going to be charged for unless it's a wax removal. If we have to do wax removal, we do have to charge that. But if we're cleaning something, we're cleaning it up or doing something in the office, we're going to take care of that. Okay. But if we have to do a repair and send it off, if it's under warranty, we want to take care of that kind of stuff too. So is an extension of that warranty worth it? I really think it is. But you know what? If you want to hedge your bets, that's really up to you. But I really think that's worthwhile for that kind of thing. So that's why I really recommend you consider doing it. Thanks so much.